Welcome to Crypto Daily Show. My name is Dustin Knouse, and be sure to follow our show wherever you listen to podcasts, and leave a review on Apple Podcasts. Well, we talked a couple weeks ago about Shiba Inu, and I wanted to update you that it's continued to grow. It seems to be unaffected by the dips in other markets, and has been breaking out on its own. It's still a low-value coin that its supporters claim will reach $1 and surpass Doge. Well, we'll see if that ever happens, but at the moment, it's going through a massive bull run and no real signs of slowing. There's also a petition growing in popularity for Robinhood to list it on its market. That would be a huge milestone for the Memecoin, and that was a big step for Dogecoin's large bull run earlier this year. Memecoins in general seem to be doing really well in the market. In fact, other coins jumped a huge amount in the last 24 hours. ShibX is up about 206%, Kaiken Shiba is up about 154%, Mini Shib has gained 140%, and Floki Gravity has seen a huge jump in price of about 298,000% in the last 24 hours. Of course, if you're thinking about investing in any of these coins, please do your homework. Now, on the other end of the spectrum, after an all-time high a week ago of nearly $67,000, Bitcoin has seen a drop and a steady decline. It's currently trading at about $59,000. Now, this isn't something that I would be too worried about, though. A lot of people sell off after all-time highs are hit, causing a drop before another surge. So long as everyone keeps holding, we should see it go back up pretty quick. Over the last week, Ethereum has also seen some resistance after hitting its all-time high. It's seeing resistance with the low end of about $4,000 and resistance on the high end of about $4,300. I expect it'll break through pretty soon, especially because upgrades happening to Ethereum are going to cause burns that will decrease the supply. I wanted to share with you an interesting study that was reported in the Atlanta Black Star. In a typical investment market like stocks or Forex, the industry is dominated by white people in this country. However, in crypto, we're seeing much more adoption amongst the Black community than we are whites and even Hispanics. A Harris poll showed that 23% of African Americans own cryptocurrency, while 17% of Hispanics do, and only 11% of white Americans. As crypto is becoming a larger and larger market, rivaling some of the biggest fiat currencies in the world, we might see an economic shift. In 2021, the University of Chicago did a survey of 1,004 young adults ages 18 to 29. Now, they found that 34% of traders who bought crypto over the past 12 months were people of color. Now, according to Ramona Ortega, the founder of My Money, My Future, many African Americans are using Bitcoin after being left out of traditional banking and wealth building. It's an interesting trend that I really hope creates more opportunities for people, and it could be a way to bridge the economic divide that we see amongst minorities in this country. Well, it's time to turn our focus over to the world of NFTs. Just in time for Halloween, Texas Chainsaw Massacre franchise is launching a collection of NFTs called Leatherfaces. The project's illustrations are designed by Skinner in partnership with Ultra Rare to reveal a total of 10,666 Leatherface avatars. Kim Henkel, creator of Chainsaw Massacre, said, "With our first NFT drop, we continue to expand on a tradition of rewarding the chainsaw community. A community that's driven by an intensely loyal fan base, with new drops, merchandise, events, and access to the original film's IP. The collection is expected to release on Halloween, and you can find out more details by going to leatherfaces.io. We previously talked about media outlets selling NFTs to help raise funds, and The Economist has joined the party. They raised $419,000 worth of Ethereum, selling the magazine cover titled Down the Rabbit Hole, The Promise and Perils of Decentralized Finance. The magazine cover image is an adaptation of illustrator Sir John Tenniel's original Alice in Wonderland drawing, revised by digital artist Justin Metz. If you're interested in signing up for our upcoming newsletter, please go to CryptoDailyShow.com. There you can also find links to where you can follow me on social media. Please follow our show wherever you listen to podcasts and leave a review on Apple Podcasts. If you get your podcasts on YouTube, be sure to subscribe and leave a comment there. I'm Dustin Knouse, and thank you for joining me today.